UAMY has been showing a decent amount of strength within a longer term bullish trend. It's a 200-day moving average, which underscores its bullish trend is sloping bullishly upwards. You can see here that's the 200-day moving average. Yesterday, Boxing Day, it cooled off slightly with the loss of 1.73% after printing a four straight session of loss of gains. And in that session, also printed an intraday high of $6.91. It was also trending in that session increasingly, and is also increasingly in the spotlight as geopolitical tensions and supply chain security concerns drive renewed interest in US domestically sourced critical materials or minerals. Antimony, a material used in defense applications, batteries, flame retardants, and advanced alloys, has long been dominated by foreign suppliers, particularly China. That dynamic has the investor and trading community zeroing in on the company's strategic role as one of the few North American producers, positioning the company as a potential beneficiary of US government efforts to onshore and safeguard critical resource production. Much of their discussion centers on the company's reputation as a supplier of high purity antimony suitable for military and industrial use, alongside growing expectations that expanded their US defense and strategic stockpile initiatives could translate into meaningful government contracts. Adding fuel to the speculation are reports that the company is nearing completion of a major capacity expansion, which many traders see as perfectly timed to meet the anticipated surge in demand. Supporters argue that if executed effectively, this expansion could significantly improve both output and operating leverage. At the same time, the narrative has broadened beyond just the company. It taps directly into the larger theme of Western economies reducing reliance on foreign critical mineral supply chains. For bullish investors, the stock sits right at the intersection of US national security, materials science, and policy driven growth, making it an unusual strategic small cap play. Of course, not everyone is convinced. More cautious voices in the investing and trading community continue to stress that the importance of delivery over hype, pointing out that the company's long-term success will ultimately depend on consistent production performance, contract visibility, and financial discipline, not just macro tailwinds, amongst other things. Yeah, so that's what we're looking at right now. Okay, the extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that it may resume the uptrend it is on right now from Monday, the 29th, and might hold it up till the 13th of January. Okay, no guarantee that that will be the case. And then possibly from the 14th, it may begin to contract the expansion. But in the interim, the 40-day moving average is also expected to continue to rise with a shallow incline to just ensure that any pullback might be caught. Okay, might be, yeah, any pullback might be contained. Okay, projections are currently saying nothing to the upside as of now. Okay, momentum is expected to continue to rise as well up till Monday, the 5th of January. Then after that, it's expected to begin to weaken, and from here, the algo seems to be suggesting that the after cooling off, or rather, while it's cooling off, it may drop below its 10-day moving average by the 8th of January. It may have already dropped slightly below that, and may begin to deviate from it from the 13th of January. No guarantee that will be the case. As things stand right now, the that moving average is I think is rising at a pace of around 44 cents every day. It's not a highly volatile stock, it seems, as things stand right now. Let's see what we have. Volatility for the stock. We're gonna get something here, quite volatile. 115 points is expected to increase in the coming days. Okay, okay, yeah, okay. We'll see how it goes, but it doesn't. It's not. It mustn't be about that, So it has a couple of previous projections that are ambitious. We have here 7.5 to 8.4 to 8.98 as of the 12th of December. It has two pivotal projections here. The 16 points. This is 12.47 and 16.12. Okay, so we'll get to those ones first of all. Okay, probability of it retesting 7.08, statistically very, very higher than 50%. 7.45, slightly less than 50%. 8.18, less than 50%. 8.34, so less than 50%. Yeah. So if it closes above this, and that's a tall order, But in any case, it was trading at this sort of level as of the 22nd of August. So if it ever gets back to these sort of levels and closes above 12.47, then the odds of it retesting 13.1 improves. Yeah, yeah, and then if it ever goes towards 16.12, then the odds of it retesting its 52-week high of 17.47 will also improve as well. Let's see now. Let's have a look at its 4-hour chart. Here, it's saying more of a consolidation. Maybe it might attempt to bounce from the 31st of December. Okay, the 40 period moving average is also expected to continue to rise to contain any attempt to pull back. Here we have 5.28 as upper projection. There's ample room to the upside. Okay, momentum is expected to remain subdued at least up till the 30th of December, Tuesday. Then after that, it might resume, it might pick up strength, and the price itself, the price may uh, go above its 10 period moving average on this chart. Okay. So just see what you make of UAMY. Was trending a couple of hours ago, and I will definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.